To unblock an ACAC card, it's essential to understand the reasons behind the lock, as the unlocking process depends on the reason for the lock. One common reason for a locked AC card is entering the wrong PIN more than 3 times. In this case, unlocking the card involves visiting the nearest ID office or issuance site, informing the officer that the card is blocked, submitting fingerprints to verify identity, and selecting a new PIN, which will unblock the card. Another reason for a locked AC card is expiration, in which case renewal is necessary to unlock it. The renewal process entails visiting a nearby location, verifying identity through fingerprint submission, and collecting a new AC card, which will be unblocked. By following these steps, it's possible to unblock an ACAC card, depending on the reason for the lock.